In this video, let me show you how to scan for a radio station in DONGFENG Box. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's open the apps icon. From the following view, let's choose DAB, and here you can use the radio station. You can scan here by using this loop. It will scan all radio stations, but you can use the comfort scanning, so it will just pick the best radio station with the strongest signal. Let me do it that way. So let's wait until the scanning will be complete. It takes like 20 to 1 minute. Alright, scanning is complete, so now you can use the following radio stations. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for our channel and leave thumbs up.